Hi everyone, I am Deepak Sanal
And I'm Libby Brungart.
and we are both grad students in Krishna Research Lab. We are a new lab and we will be working on very much cool stuff, and to have a sense of it, just watch the video.
Our group is interested in sustainable production and use of fuels and chemicals in order to reduce their impact on the environment and on human health.
These are the three areas of interest of our group: renewable fuels and chemicals, emissions control, and green chemistry.
That's sort of just a general overview of what we do, but let's get more into the specifics and also learn a little bit about our grad students.
Hi guys, so to talk a little bit more about myself, my name is Libby Brungart and I'm a first year here at the University of Wisconsin. I'm originally from a really small town in Kansas, and I did my undergraduate degree at the University of Kansas. You can tell by this lovely photo I have of me and my friends graduating. Some of my hobbies and interests include sewing and embroidery. I spend way too much time on YouTube. Lately I've been spending way too much time doing Sudokus. I have an unhealthy obsession with Diet Coke. I love hiking and I like taking pictures with my Polaroid. So just to tell you more about the type of research that I'll be doing, my research is focused on eliminating pollutants from diesel engine emissions. Most of these are the NOx pollutants that I have written on the slides there. So the research is going to be focused on doing this through a process called selective catalytic reduction, and the catalysts that we'll be interested in are going to be copper-based. So basically kind of the question that I'll be looking to answer through my research is, how do these different pollutants, these NOx compounds, how do they interact with the catalyst and with the active sites on the catalyst? And if that's a question that we can answer, then we'll be able to form a better catalyst. And this is a really important research question because diesel engines are kind of everywhere. We use them for transporting goods. They're the types of engines that are in semi-trucks. So being able to control the pollutants that come out of those engines would be very beneficial to the environment. And then lastly, I kind of thought that it would be a good idea to tell you guys some of the things I really like about Madison, just so you guys can get maybe more of a feel for the environment here. Guys, I love living here. I know that this is a recruitment video and this is exactly what you would expect me to say, but it's really a lovely town. Some of the things that I really like about living here are the lakes. I have a couple pictures that show the lakes. This one on the bottom is actually our Union Terrace, which is right on the lake. It's a lovely kind of community spot. It's not really just a place for the university. I also really love this is a football town and a football school, and I don't really like football that much, but just like the atmosphere that it has on like football days, it's quite lively and I like it a lot. And then perhaps one of the most important things right here in the middle, cheese curds are delicious and there are so many of them here. There's a ton of other great food, but you gotta try those ones.
Hi, I'm Deepak. I grew up in Bikaner, Rajasthan, India. I did my bachelor's and master's in chemical engineering Institute of Technology, Delhi. Growing up, I have witnessed energy-related problems, and with that motivation, I decided to join PhD program in chemical and biological engineering at UW Madison. Apart from research, I like to watch TV shows, movies, listening to music, and exploring new places. I know you will be curious about knowing how Madison is. Madison has lakes where people hang out in the summer, surrounded by hills which is best for trekking and hiking, and is close to various towns which are worth visiting. Coming to UW Madison was a big transition for me, but warm welcome by all the faculty members, staff, and other grad students made settling so easy and smooth. I really love living in this city. Now let's talk a little bit about my research. So homogeneous catalytic systems use toxic chemicals which in return produces toxic byproducts, which has adverse impacts on human health as well as environment. So my research will be focused on developing and designing heterogeneous catalytic systems which can replace these homogeneous systems.
So now that you know a bit more about what we're going to be doing in our group, we would love to show you our brand new office spaces and our brand new lab space. Part of the benefit of being a brand new research lab is that we get some amazing, brand new, shiny, super accurate equipment. It's so new, in fact, that it's not even here yet. But look at those windows, baby.
These are the equipments which our group will be using. Reactors, which will be automated, automatic catalyst characterization techniques, NOx IR analyzer, mass spectrometer, spectrometers, chromatography techniques, both liquid and gas chromatography, and few more, small and larger ones.
This is a look at our second, larger lab space. Both of our labs are currently under construction, but almost all of the new equipment for these labs has already been ordered, and the lab should be up and running in just a few months. The layout for them is also going to be a lot better than what I could edit here, so don't worry about that.
So thank you guys so much for watching our video, and we really appreciate your interest in the Krishna Research Group. If you have any questions about what you saw today, or any questions about our research or our lab, feel free to email our professor, krishna3@wisc.edu. If you have any questions that maybe you want answered by us, anything about Madison or grad life in general, feel free to email either one of us. Our emails are just our last names at wisc.edu. Thanks guys so much. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.